Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, power lift gate, backup camera, navigation system, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.